Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. I'm also good. My name is Preeti and I'm an English learner. So guys, in this video, I'm gonna talk about how can we learn vocabulary and how can we improve our pronunciation by reading book. Yes guys, you heard me right. Because I do this thing personally because I always try to read 10 to 15 minute everyday book. So you have to first check your level. Are you intermediate level in English and are you totally beginner? So that time you have to choose book which level you are in right now. So if you choose books of your level in English, so that can help you to improve your vocabulary and also your pronunciation in English, and your tongue get habitual to speak English. In book can change your English fastly if you do this thing properly and if you practice every day. So guys, I'm showing you right now my book which all things I do in a daily basis, so I'm going to share with you. So I think this can help those people who are totally beginner in this language, and they can learn something from my video too. So guys, I'm going to show you which book I read right now, and I always choose book which all book I can easily understand, and I can uh, what can I say? I can understand properly all meaning on that particular book. And if I don't know any particular word meaning, so I just write down on my notebook, and later then I search on Google Translate, and then I will know what is the meaning of this word. So guys, that all thing I do my for my improved vocabulary. So though I am not at I can say intermediate level where I can say my vocabulary is very advanced, but if I can speak something like this, so I can be better in English if I try to add some new vocabulary in my sentence. So that's how this thing helped me, and also that's why I want to share with you guys. So I'll show you my book and I'll show you all things which I do in a daily basis, so that can help you too. So guys, you can see this is my book. I'll show you with back camera later. This is my book. Right now I am reading this book, and if I come across some new word which I don't understand and which I uh, think it is not my cup of tea, I have to search it, and then I'll make later sentence about this particular word. So I'll show you how I read and how I note down and how I underline some hard meaning in this book. So guys, you have to do these things intentionally daily, so that's how you can improve your English too. So now I am going to show you with back camera uh, how I read this book. So let's get started.
As you can see, this is my book, and this book I read right now. So as you can see, Good Wives, Good Life. So this is the self-help book, you can see. So right now I'm going to read this paragraph. So let's get started how I read actually in my for my English improvement. So as you can see, this is my pencil, and if I come across some new hard word here, so I just underline and then I search on Google Translate. You can search anywhere and just know the word meaning, what is the meaning of this sentence, and you can improve your vocabulary, something like this. So first of all, start this book like this. To achieve a sense of peace, we need balance between work and play, between action and patience, spending and saving, laughter and seriousness, living and staying. Failing to achieve a balance across every area of your life can leave you feeling exhausted among many other unpleasant emotions such as guilt. Here is an example of balancing action and patience. If you are the project leader of a final year university assignments and you teach a team member who all like on social media, instead of helping your team, you may allow it to slide. If they do it on multiple occasions occasions and you notice their productivity slipping, you may warn them that it if it persists. So guys, as you can see, this word I don't know meaning of this word, so I just underline it, and later then I will know what is the meaning of this word. So I always know underline that particular word which all word meaning I don't know. So as you can see right now I underline this word because this all word I know the meaning of this all word. So as you can see you'll have to report them to your course leader. If they can choose to ignore you and continue their behavior, would you feel guilty about taking further action? So I'm going to read this page now. So as you can see, if you are kind of compassionate, this word I, compassionate human being, I can't properly pronounce this word, so that is why I definitely search it on Google Translate, because when I come across this kind of long word, so I mean it's hard to pronounce it properly, so that thing always happened with me. Human being, you may fear hurting their feelings and getting them in trouble by reporting them to the course leader. They may have to face severe consequences that affect their final grade, and that might have implications. So guys, I also underline these two words because I don't know meaning properly of these word too. So let's go ahead. Their future, however, they are disrespecting you and ignoring your warning. You may feel like they are talking about kindness for granted, and you might worry that other project member will be disheartened if they see your license as favoritism. So guys, I think this is enough for today, and that's how you should read book, and you can improve your vocabulary too if you read book like this. So this video is going to very long, so that I'm going to stop here. As you saw in this video, how I read book every day and how I improve my vocabulary and pronunciation, because our tongue is not habitual to speak English. So if you do reading practice every day, so I think you get habitual to speak English. So read book every day and think in English and try to surround yourself in English environment, because if you always try to make excuses, so you can't reach at your goal properly, because we have so many things in our life, so we always make many excuses. So guys, I want to just say uh, that's how book help you to improve your vocabulary and pronunciation too. There are multiple benefit of reading book, because if you become a good reader, so you can read so many books in your upcoming days. And books are real friends, because there are a lot of books, self-help book, and multiple what can I say, different type of books available. So you can read any book which all particular things you are interested. So guys, that's how this book and help you to improve your vocabulary and pronunciation too, and you get habitual and you definitely improve your English. So guys, these all things I wanted to share in this video. So if this video is going to help you somewhere, so guys, please uh, let me know in the comment box, and I will definitely try to make more this kind of video. But right now the thing is, I'm not saying I'm a very mm, what can I say, professional in this language, but this is my real experience which I am doing for my improved English. So that is why I love to share my all things with all people, which all uh, who all are beginner in this language and who all are interested to learn this language. So that's how I do my practice. So you should do this kind of practice, and also you can learn so many things by reading book. So guys, that's it for today's video. And right now I don't want to make long video, because if once I try to speak, so I never stop no matter how many mistake I do, because I'm also English learner, so I'm not perfect yet. But if I do daily practice, so I will definitely be perfect. But I think no one is perfect in this language, because this is not our native language. So this is second language for us. But if we try to our best learn this language, so we definitely can uh, what can I say? We definitely get a good command over this language. So that's it for today's video, and I'll meet you in the next video for next topic. Till then, bye bye, and see you, and keep learning. Take care.